How's it going, guys? I just got back from court. That's why, if you're wondering why I'm dressed like this. Yeah, and I got my new lip in. I'm about to unbox this bitch. Little tool out. Okay, cool. So we're gonna unbox this bitch. Damn, this fool fucking taped the shit out of it. Cool. And Kobe. Oh fuck! I forgot the lips in there. No, didn't stab anything. Damn, this fat ass box for just this. Yep, it's one of those TRD looking ones. Let me see if we can flip it. Yep, that's it. Let me see if I could open it for you guys. Fuck, this thing is firm. If you guys were wondering, it is called the Lexus is300 T-style rear bumper lip. It weighs 3.53 pounds, and the Note 78, whatever the fuck that means. Also comes with some hardware, some bracket-looking things, and some fucking shanky-look shanks, and some screws. But we won't be needing that. Oh, fuck! So in order for the rear lip to fit, I had to take this off. And I don't want to take off the tires, so thank God I have this little trusty ratchet looking Phillips. So I took off both the mud flap looking things. And I'm gonna use this drill. And I might have to take off the wheel because there's absolutely no room. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty damn sick. Kind of fucking too low. Fuck. But yeah, I'm gonna start screwing on. So I got the two screws in. There's one right there, and there's one right there. It's pretty stable, but I just need to put the two screws over here. Haven't put it yet. Just gonna take the wheel off, and then I'm gonna put one fat screw probably right here or something supporting here, because it could just slip off and fall down. Just like my other lips. But yeah, two screws in, two more to go, or three. I found some screws that I'm probably gonna put in. They're pretty damn long. Let me see if I can get you guys to see what I'm looking at. Okay, what is that? Okay, this one. This is the lip. So I'm probably get a screw. Bang! Right through the fucking bumper. Finger popping each other's assholes underneath. That's the bumper. This is the lip. I'm gonna finger pop it like that. Anally. Anally. Whatever you want. Probably put two. One on this side. Bang bang. This side. Bang bang. Oh shit. Sorry, my video recording is really bad right now. What the fuck is that noise? Jeez. Okay guys, so I got this side screwed on. Let me show you. Same thing, same shit, doesn't matter, fucking whatever. 1, 2. Cool. And then what I just thought of was a pretty good idea. So you know those brackets I showed you? These brackets, they came in fucking handy actually. I thought they were just like for jerking off, you know, whatever. Anyways, but I fucking found two screws, a screw like this, and then I basically just got one of these brackets, post up like Kobe Bryant, and then bang onto the actual bumper. So the lip is right here, and the bumper's right here. So that is fucking legit. Now hopefully I don't lose this bitch. It's pretty stable now. Like, shit, focus. It's pretty stable. I'm gonna put another one like right here, and probably another one right here. Shit, I'll fucking have 4. Might as well put all of them on, right? But yeah, I'm pretty happy. That's it, guys. Everything's cleaned up. Now just check the lip out. Pretty nice, and I think you can kind of see where I put the bolt brackets. It's pretty nice. And there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.